Even with all their riches, some multi-millionaires simply can't afford these cars. Costing more than entire islands and yachts, these cars are the epitome of luxury and reserved for the uber-rich. Number 1. McLaren Solus. Starting with the rare beauty that is the McLaren Solus, this brand exclusive is the brainchild of collaboration between McLaren's Automotive and McLaren Special Operations. With only 10 models made worldwide, only a few individuals in the world can proudly say that they have one of these in their garage. Performance-wise, the McLaren Solus is as close as anyone can come to the experience of driving a Formula One car. Solus is a rare beauty with a price tag of $3.5 million. Underneath the hood, there's a world-class 5.2 liters V10 engine that revs beyond 10,000 RPM. Safe to say, the McLaren Solus is a ruthless machine which can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Number 2. Bugatti Centodeci. Bugatti Centodeci is a limited production mid-engine sports car by the French automotive manufacturer Bugatti. Underneath the hood, you've got an 8,000cc quad turbocharged W16 engine which boasts an incredible 1,578 horsepower. Production of this exclusive automobile was limited to 10 units only, which each unit priced at $9 million each. Number 3. SP Automotive Chaos. SP Automotive Chaos takes a step into the future with its unique design and state-of-the-art technology. The automobile boasts a top speed of over 310 miles per hour with the ability to cover the quarter-mile distance in less than 1.8 seconds. Not to mention that the SP Automotive Chaos is the first ultra car with the ability to churn out 3,000 horsepower. As far as the price is concerned, the base model boasting 2,000 horsepower comes with a staggering price tag of $6.4 million. Number 4. Lamborghini Sean Roadster. Next up, meet the Lamborghini Sean Roadster, the first super sports car to feature a super capacitor. With only 19 models ever made, only a few have the keys to this piece of remarkable automobile engineering. The Lamborghini shows off the car maker's most powerful engine to date and interior details that will leave your jaw on the floor. When it was first launched, this car had a starting price of $3.7 million. Number 5. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Next, get ready to meet this car, which easily knocks the Lamborghini Sean Roadster out of the park. With an entire black look, this Bugatti piece is bound to turn heads on the road. With an 8L quad-turbo 16-cylinder engine underneath the hood and a breathtaking carbon fiber chassis, this car is in a league of its own. The exterior is inspired by the legendary Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic with its custom headlight design and insect light pattern. The one-of-a-kind automobile masterpiece was reportedly sold to one customer for 11 million euros excluding tax. Number 6. Delage D12. The Delage detailed hybrid street-legal sports car is what you call art on wheels. Delage wowed the world by debuting this new hybrid hypercar on the streets. With an interior befitting a king and an impressive aerodynamic style to boast of, the Delage D12 is anyone's dream. Unfortunately, dreams don't come cheap, and this one sells for $2.2 million. That's a serious blow to the bank account. Number 7. Hispano-Suiza Garmin Boulogne. If you thought that the other car was something, get ready to feast your eyes on this ultra rare car. The car features a powerful drive system with 2 electric motors added to the standard 2 electric motors, achieving a total power of 1,114 HP and 1,600 Nm of maximum torque. Since it's a limited edition model, this car is one car every millionaire wants in his garage, but thanks to the $2 million price tag, only a few have the honor of owning one. Number 8. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. Inspired by yachts, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail oozes luxury. Custom built for an anonymous but expensive client, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail remains one of a kind, with its built-in refrigerator. Sharing the same engine and skeleton as the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the Boat Tail is fitted with an N74B68 twin-turbocharged V12 engine, boasting an output of 563 horsepower. Anyone thinking about making this sweet ride their own should get ready to write a check for $30 million. Number 9. Ferrari 250 GTO. The Ferrari 250 GTO is an ultra-exclusive automobile produced by Ferrari in the early 1960s. For the FIA's Group 3 Grand Touring Car category, collectors all over the world jump at the chance to make this one-of-a-kind vehicle their own for one simple reason: Ferrari only produced 36 models of the car. Besides its stunning beauty, the Ferrari 250 GTO is also known for its unforgiving handling and its sheer love of the road. This masterpiece goes for the mind-blowing price of $70 million on the market. And that's all for today. Did you find your dream car in here? Let us know in the comment section down below. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. Until next time, bye now.